Hello everyone, it's me, Teacher Jam again. So, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about something very useful for all of us, effective study habits. Okay, so we will watch a short video, learn some study habits, and talk about which ones we can use. And then we practice speaking using these new ideas. And later, you record a short video talking about your own study habits. Okay, so after today's lesson, what are you going to learn here? You will learn how to improve your listening skill. Okay. By identifying key study habits from a short video, and you can develop your speaking fluency and accuracy using guided sentence frames to describe your study habits and spread future intentions. Uh, in this part, we will also review the first conditional grammar. And the third, you will enhance your pronunciation with attention to clear word stress and natural intonation while speaking. And the last one is also really important because you will review how to collaborate digitally by contributing your ideas to a shared Google Docs using your phone or your laptop. Okay, we have done this before in our previous class, right? Okay, but before we watch the video, let's look at some study tips you will hear in the video. This is because we are just at the basic level, right? So it's really important that you need to know in advance what you're going to listen to. You need to know the content of the video first, so you won't misunderstand it. Because I will provide you with a 100% English video without VitSurf, without our mother language. Okay, so let's start. Here, can you see all the tips on the board, on the screen that I shared? We got some tip here. We got the meaning and the reason why it helps. Okay, so let's do the first one together. The 5-minute rule. What does it mean? The 5-minute rules. Give me a second. 5 minutes rule means we study for just 5 minutes, right? It is helpful because it is easy way to start. Very good. Okay, now I want you to do the second one. I need a volunteer. Mr. Butt. Very good. The active recall means we quick ourselves, we don't reread. It is helpful because it helps us remember better. The last one, Mr. Okay, Miss Ang. The train environment method means we move to a new place. It is helpful because we feel fresh and focused. Very good. Remember, we have 3 tips in the video that we are going to watch and listen to. Okay? So now I play the video. How to study even when you're okay, so that's our video. Now, with your partner, compare your answer. Which study habits did you like the most? Which one? Now, in the following part, I want you to share, I want you to practice speaking using these tips, using this speaking frame. Okay, I have prepared, and you just need to fill in the gaps and using your own ideas too. One study habit I learned is it helps because, or I want to try. I think it will help me. Okay, or you can use this way. If I use, I will. This is the first conditional grammar that we have learned before, right? Okay, so let's write down your speaking in the Google Docs that I have provide you guide with the link here. Okay, you can start to open your Google Docs and write down your answer using my speaking frame. I also write down my example here in case you want to have a further look or you maybe are out of the ideas. Okay, so my sentence is one habit, one sturdy habit I've learned is active record. It helps because it trains my memory. Yeah, of course. Or for the second speaking frame, I can try like this. I want to try changing my environment. I think it will help me focus. Okay, and for the third one, if I use the 5 minutes rule, I will stop procrastinating. Uh, if you don't know the word procrastinating, you can use the easier word delaying. Okay, so you can see that I create these examples relying on my speaking frame, right? One sturdy habit I've learned is it helps because I want to try. I think it will help. If I will. Okay. And now you can also write down your answer in the Google Docs. So all of us can see your answer too. And we can give like friendly feedback on your writing and your speaking later on. Okay. So now you try. Choose one habit and complete a sentence with your partner. Mr. Butt, I want to hear your answer. Very good. Okay, what about Miss Ang? Excellent. Okay. Now I want you to recall a 1 to 2 minutes video explaining your favorite study tip and how you apply it. Of course, you have to use the source script that you have already written in our Google Docs using the frames. We just have to practice, right? Okay, let's get started. That's really good. I love all of your answer, but I hope that you can better it. So this is also your homework. When you get home, you will rewrite your script talking about your effective study tip. You can use the tip that we have watched in the video, or you can create your own study tips. Okay? And after that, you will record a video and of yourself talking about these tips and send me via our group test later. Okay, so sum up today what we have learned. Yes, we have learned some new vocabularies, right? We improve our listening skill by watching the video. Okay, what else? Yes, we review the first conditional grammar. Okay. Okay, and we speak a lot, which helps us with our pronunciation, right? We can speak more clearly and more effectively. Okay, so that's all for now. See you later, guys. Goodbye.